Two major problems we see when it comes to edge restraint: uplift of edging and lateral creep and shifting. So we created Quickie Hybrid Edging.
Whenever we're using a black plastic edging, we find that it kicks back on us a lot.
It's popped up and it's heaved, and a lot of residential customers look at that and think that's how every system is. And with Pave Tool's edging, we have actually eliminated that problem.
Everything's set on a 60-degree angle if you're doing that coarse base, which ends up sewing into your base layer. So it eliminates that freeze thaw, which gives the client longevity and eliminates the callbacks.
I think back to when we were installing our concrete edging and all the kind of negative health effects that that could actually have on us in the long term, and now we don't have to worry about that. We were able to carry our edging 200 feet at a time in the backyard with a bundle and install it quicker and have a much stronger install and not worry about not being able to grow grass and concrete being visible in a few years after installation. Another benefit of Pave Tool's edging is the storage. Traditional concrete, we have to store it dry, it takes up a lot of space. Plastic biodegrades kind of in the sun and breaks down.
We are currently starting to use it for driveway applications because up until this point, there really hasn't been a solution.
The V-stake with the hybrid edging creates enough surface space for the stone to go up against to help prevent lateral shift or creeping with our pavers.
HD hybrid edging has allowed us to get really creative on the job sites, doing our nice sweeps, curves, circles. It's really easy to cut in place.
One of the coolest things is that we can actually bend it around our corners and lock the corner into itself rather than having two individual pieces.
It's been a game changer for myself, for Winterberry, for a lot of people in the industry. We've all been looking for that one and done type of application, and I think Pave Tool nailed it.